Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cassie and today we have the April 2022 Pink and Main kit and I haven't seen it. Y'all know how I like to be surprised, so I haven't seen it yet and so we're gonna see it together unless you've already seen it and you just want to come in here and look at it again. So let's go ahead and talk about it a little bit. It always comes in this really pretty pink box and if that doesn't get you excited to do some playing, I don't know. So I'm excited to see what's in here and I'm super excited to play. Let's open it up. She always has them so cutely wrapped with her little tissue paper. Ooh, I'm seeing some lemons. Oh, okay, I can already tell you I'm gonna love it. So it comes in, most of the kit comes in a pouch like so. You have your cardstock in the box because it won't just fit in here as it's a full piece of cardstock. But I love these bags. They're great for on-the-go crafting, which I'm going to be doing here shortly. So let's pull this out. And then we'll pull out the card, which will tell us, oh yes, I already love it. I already love it. Oh, that is gorgeous. When life gives you lemons. Isn't that so cute? You could take this and turn it into a card front if you wanted. And what the back of the card is, oh, look at that color palette. So excited. This kit is called Lemon Twist. I love that. And it's going to tell you what comes in the kit and give you your color palette. I always say how much I love that because this allows you the opportunity to go around, grab any colors of ink, your Copic markers, your alcohol markers, your colored pencils, your watercolors, whatever it is you want to grab that could match this. Because I love that she does that. Oh, okay. So let's jump into it. All right, I'm going to start with the cardstock first. And oh, I love that she uses basil. Okay, so we have 2 sheets of 110-pound white cardstock. This stuff is nice and thick, great for bases. Or I can Copic color on it too, alcohol marker color. It's pretty smooth, so it's good for colored pencil as well, but I like it. And then we have, oh, look at these pretty colors. This is called Ocean by Basil. Here we have, this yellow is African Daisy. That one is by Basil as well. We have North Sea. Oh yeah. We have this really pretty orange. I'm not sure what that's called. And then we have powder blue. So there is your color palette. That has me excited. I love it. Okay, so we'll set this off to the side. All right, let's take a look at our embellishments because those are right in the front. Oh my gosh, look at those. Those almost look like almost like a periwinkle light blue. And then we've got all these beautiful yellows in there. And we've got some oranges and oh, I love it. It's like this iridescence to it. It just makes me happy. And I don't know if it's the yellow that's making me just want to smile, but I love it. And there's a lot in there. Take a look at how many are in there. That is a ton. Great for embellishing, shakers, you name it. And then our Lemon Twist enamel dots. Those make mama happy. This color palette, I say this every dang month. But she nails it. I love this. We've got these dark oranges like a tangerine. You've got your lighter orange, yellow, into the teals, into the blues. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I can hardly wait to take a look at the paper. Oh, so there we go. Yeah, we're gonna jump right into the paper because I can't take it no more. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna open it up. I always open my paper like that. It's just easier for me to store it that way and then get to it. And then I can just put it back in there super easy. So as always, 24 sheets, 6x6 paper pad, and they are usually double-sided. Oh my gosh, I can already tell you. Oh my gosh. I am so in love. This is so cool. It's like realistic looking, like a watercolor painting. Oh my gosh. So let's go through and take a look at all of our, oh, I'm sorry, you're going to hear me gush. These remind me of like kitchen tiles, and I love it. Oh, I love this. Look at how cool that is. That's like this background here. Oh, yeah. Oh, and then we got a bigger one. This is brilliant. I love it. Well, I guess I'm going to have to watercolor. And I like watercoloring, so, oh my gosh, these patterns are fabulous. Oh, the stripes. Okay, now we're back. So you get 2 of each. Let's flip it. Ooh, look at those. You could cut those apart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I keep gushing. I just love this so, so much. Oh, oh my goodness. Like, it just keeps getting better. I'm going to try really hard not to hoard this because I love all these patterns. This color palette is speaking to me. I love it so much. Okay. Get it together, Cass. Get it together. All right, so yeah, you're obviously going to see lots of, well, like I said, I'm going to do my best not to hoard it. But okay, so that's our pattern paper. Oh, I forgot to show you. I love that she's been including our little envelope seals. Aren't those so cute? So that way when you send a card, you have this little matching seal on the outside. How fun is that? So you get 3 of those. And now let's get into our, so these are like replenishables. These are things that obviously you're going to use up, and once they're gone, they're gone. But I love that she always has like stencils and things in here that are things you're not going to use up. These are going to add to your stash in a way. And so when I think about this kit, it's so worth it. I love it. This is a beautiful stencil. I don't know the name of it, but oftentimes if she has leftovers, she will add these things to like the next, like you can buy these separate. But otherwise, obviously, this is a subscription based, so you're going to want to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If she has any leftovers, sometimes she will sell those separately as well after, you know, like next month, but that's not always a guarantee. So if this is something you're liking, you might want to jump on it. So there is our stencil, Mama Likey. And then we have, oh, check out our embossing folder. This one is called Ornate Tile. It's beautiful. And I love, as I always say, I love that they're 6x6 because most of them are like standard A2 size. But the 6x6 just gives you a few more options. And I think this one is just beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, so now it's time for our stamp set. I can hardly stand it. The stamp set and the matching die. Lemons. Oh, and it's a 2-step stamp. But I'm going to have to do some watercolor. So I love this because these will make it super easy to make cards quickly. When you've got your 2-step stamp, you just add your color, you know, stamp, stamp, be done. But it's a separate little image. So if you want to color this with your, like I said, watercolor or alcohol markers or colored pencils, you can have at it. And I love that. Each day you get a fresh start when life gives you lemons. I love your zest for life and squeeze the day. Oh, those are so cute. And she's got them, so the matching die will cut out our 2 main images, and you also will get all 4 sentiment dies. So it'll cut out the sentiments. I love that. I'm so, so happy about that. So this is a great set. Make sure that if you are interested in this set at all, or this kit at all, like I said, go check it out. Make sure if you like this, hit the like button and be a subscriber because within a couple of days, chances are I'm going to have a whole array of cards to share with you because I'm just going to have to. And yeah, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm going to be out of town next week for Creativation. So the hope is to have all this done before I leave, and that way I can just have it scheduled for next week. But yeah, come back, check it out. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Bye.